Sir, please sit down.
Thank you, dear, but my ticket is without a seat. I will stand.
My ticket is also without a seat. I am younger, I have more energy and strength to stand.
It would be nice if whoever has this seat did not come here. Dear, how much time is left to your stop?
I have 5 more hours to go, not that much.
Wow. If you get tired, please tell me.
Don't worry about me, sir.
Your ticket, please. Your ticket, please. Your ticket, please. You are very kind. There is a free seat in the car before this one. You still have a lot to go, let me take you there. The real kindness is when you are ready to give up something that you need yourself.